Hello everybody, it's Larry back with the part 2 video of the how-to video on the Hoover Elite Rewind model number UH71003. And this time I did the roller brush last time. I'm going to do the belt this time. And I already took the screws out to hopefully save some time. And you got one screwed from there, and you have two right here, right there, one right there. You got one right there, and here. You just pop the plate off, and I went and got a belt for it right here. I just pop the roller brush out, and you have a metal bar in there. I don't know, I'll try to see if I can get the camera to show on it a little bit. I don't know if it'll pick it up at all. I'm going to try to move the camera real slow here, and you might be able to see it. There's a little bar right. Looks like it's right there. Yeah, you can see it a little bit. That's the bar you put it on. I'll back the camera out slow, so hopefully we don't make people dizzy and sick. And put the camera back where it was. To lift the cord up so the camera doesn't fall off. And you just got to take the belt. You got to turn it sideways a little bit. And you have to work it. You have to work it in there. I mean, it can be a little bit tough sometimes. But there's a little stupid phone. But there's a little groove in there. You gotta try to slide the belt in. Oh, you'll know it if you slide it in there. You'll feel it slide. And the space is not very big. Just gotta get your finger in there. You have to work it in. And it looks like it slid in there. At least it feels like it. Yep, it slid on there. You just have to work with it. And you take your roller brush, put the belt on the little groove there, and it definitely will give you some tension. You're definitely gonna have tension, so you're gonna have to pull because of the tension. You have to hold it down. You got some grooves on the side of the roller brush. You got to line up. And sometimes it fights with you a little bit. And sometimes you get lucky and it slides right in. And this one's gonna fight a little bit. Sometimes it's easier doing it on the floor. There's definitely some tension. And it's being a little stubborn. It won't spin. There we go. There we go. It's a lot easier doing it on the floor. And you just take this cage here, put that back on, and you put your screws back in, and there you have it. And that's how you replace the belt. And I want to bring me back up here. Hi. I want to thank everybody for watching this video, and hopefully it'll help you out for repairing your vacuum cleaner. And if you would like to leave any comments or give a thumbs up, that would be much appreciated. And until next time, I'll be hopefully doing a different vacuum cleaner. Don't know what yet. I have a few of them, but I don't know which one yet. So everybody have a fantastic afternoon, morning, evening, wherever you're at. And we will see you all later. Bye.